Hi, I'm Sheena Strader from L2L Support. Welcome to this tips and tricks video on creating a document within L2L. Did you know you can create different types of documents for your site, such as an uploaded file, a link to an existing file, or create a checklist? You also have the option to associate documents to specific areas, lines, machines, or technologies. First, you will need to be sure you are logged in to your L2L user account and be sure you have the correct document center permissions. Prior to creating a document, you have to have document categories set up. For purposes of this video, let's assume that you do. Now, from the home screen, you will navigate to Standard Work Documents in your menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Then select All Documents. From here, you will select Add New. Within the document detail screen, you will complete the required field, such as a document name, description, and category. Next, you will have the option to share this document with other sites on your server. If you have an approval process in place, you have the option to set document approvers here, or you can prefer to do that within document categories. Next, let's take a look at Link This Document To. This simply means you can link documents to all machines within an area, all machines that belong to a line, a specific machine, or all machines related to a technology. Rather than link a document to dispatches by machines, you can choose to automatically attach the document to new dispatches. You can choose to attach the document to all dispatches pertaining to an area, line, machine, technology, tooling, or dispatch types. First, you will see attachment criteria. You have the option of Match Any or Match All conditions. If you select Match Any, the document will automatically be attached to any dispatches that fit in any of the criteria you've selected within areas, lines, machines, technologies, and/or dispatch types. If any of that criteria is satisfied, the document will then be attached to that dispatch. If Match All is selected, then only the dispatches that satisfy all of the requirements you have selected will have the document automatically attached. Once you have decided on your document associations, you will save and create a revision. Now you can choose which type of document you would like this to be. A local file to upload into L2L, such as a PDF, Excel file, or even a 20 megabyte size or smaller video file. Link to an existing file on the web or a local network. Or create a checklist. Checklists are interactive, allowing for the recording of data and task completion electronically in the document inside L2L. This also enables L2L reporting tools to be used to retrieve and display checklist data. For more information on checklists, check our support article or stay tuned for a future video. I'm going to select a link. Once you have selected the document, you will save. Next, you will enter a short description explaining what the revision is and save the document. Please note, if this is a checklist, you would then have to create your checklist template. You have now officially created a document within L2L. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us at L2L Support.